Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your system is encountering a slow startup and often lags after the startup, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is run the clean manager or disk cleanup. Now for that we'll press the Windows and the R button together and we'll input the command clean mgr and press enter. Now click on OK and we'll wait for the files to be deleted. Click on delete files. And the next thing we'll do while this is running is we will enable fast startup. So we will press the Windows and the R key again and we will enter the command power cfg.cpl and press enter. And we will click on choose what the power buttons do and we will click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And we will check this box turn on fast startup, click on save changes, and then we'll move on to the next step. That is, we'll run an SFC scan to check if any files are corrupted. So we'll right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run. While that's running, we can also disable the startup apps. So I can go to task manager and then I will click this tab here on the left hand side, startup apps, and I will disable any startup apps that I feel are not necessary when the system opens up. So right click on it and click on disable and disable as many apps as you can, which will speed up your system. Now these hacks should work perfectly fine. Your system should boot up really quick and it should not lag after it boots up, because sometimes you face this lag for say 5-10 minutes after it boots up. Now if none of these work, then you need to look at your hardware. So for that I can recommend to you that you upgrade your laptop or desktop with a bigger RAM or bigger RAM size. So you can see this is a DDR4 RAM, this is a DDR5 RAM. I would always suggest a DDR4 and DDR5 RAM because these are very quick and it speeds up the system performance really significantly. So you can see this is a 32 GB RAM, so you can upgrade it to this. And if you are willing to also, you can, if you have a hard disk drive, the older hard disk drives which are prone to corruption, bad sectors, you can upgrade to a internal solid state drive or an SSD drive. So you can install this in your laptop and it will boost up the performance of your computer significantly. And your computer should really have a fast startup and should not lag at all after the startup. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.